power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 in black. With HID headlamps, front tow hooks, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, tow package, front bucket seats, electronic stability control, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 5.3-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5574A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.